Hey kiddos, how the heck are all of you doing? Today, we're gonna dive into some phonics. So buckle up for a wild ride of learning. First up, we're gonna tackle A. A as in a baby. Next on the list is B. I'm sketching out a killer bee right now. And after that, we're cruising into C. Like a snake, then C. Get those pencils moving with me. Moving right along to D. Drawing D is a piece of cake, folks. And last but not least, we're heading up E. Give it a shot. Let's draw together. A, B, C, D, E. Adding some adorable flowers and hearts to jazz it up, making it pop. Damn, it's looking beautiful. Have you been practicing? If not, get on it. Now, let's dive into some coloring. Starting off with some fiery red. Who doesn't love coloring? Am I right? My go-to color is yellow. What's yours? Rainbow love, who's with me? Check out this orange, then yellow, and let's dive into the rainbow of colors. Green is next. I'm a fan of green too. Blue is on the menu, followed by pink. Lovers, where you at? I'm all about that pink life. Catch you later, and if you want more awesome content like this, hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Peace out.